All right, hello everybody, and welcome to Astronomy 1303. My name is Dr. Dan Bruton. I'm a professor here at SFA, and I'm going to teach both the lecture and lab for this course. And I'm going to do a 3 to 4 minute intro for the course just to get you started all the way up into chapter 1. So this course is about astronomy, so let's kind of start with astronomy. Here's the night sky, well, as the sun sets here. And the first thing we're going to talk about in the first few chapters here is how the sky rotates. And you can see a star right there in the very center. That's the North Star. You can see it right here as it rotates. I'm speeding up time over here. And you can see the Big Dipper rising over here to the right-hand side. So in the first couple of chapters, we'll be talking about how to find stars in the sky and why does the sky rotate like this. Then we'll be zooming in on different objects such as galaxies, star clusters, comets, and planets, exoplanets, and things of that nature. So I told you I was going to do it 3 to 4 minutes here. So I have 3 goals for you on this first day of the semester, day 1. You want to go over to Desire to Learn, d2l.sfasu.edu, Desire to Learn there. And you want to locate these 3 goals right here. The first thing I want you to do is to purchase the lab manual. To do that, you can go over to the university bookstore in person and find it on the shelf, or you can purchase it online using these instructions right here. You only need to purchase the lab manual for the course because the textbook for the course, I made it free and it's online. So goal number 1, purchase the lab manual. You might want to stop the video right now and go ahead and take care of that if you're doing the online purchase, or walk over to the bookstore and handle that purchase in person. Goal number 1. All right, short video here. Number 2, goal number 2. I want you to post a profile picture of yourself. So I'm only going to get a chance to see you maybe in Zoom during the exams, unless I see you on campus in the STEM building or something like that. So I do kind of want to get to know you through conversations and discussion boards in D2L. And it's also good to see your picture here so I can kind of put a face with the name as well. So in order to do that, you're going to go to the Getting Started module. All the course content is located under Content. And the first thing you'll see at the top is Overview. So this gives you an overview of the course as far as what assignments are due on which days and when the 4 exams are right here. The assignments are either quizzes or they're labs, and then the exams over here are going to be multiple choice, and we'll deliver those online. You'll have to use Zoom and a web camera to take these particular exams. Also, there's going to be a password there as well to give you access to that. I'll be talking about the exams as we get closer to them, but let's get into our assignment. Our assignment is to go over here to the Getting Started module and add your profile picture. So you'll see a progress bar in D2L, and what you want to do is make sure you get check marks on each one of these. You can see I kind of hopped around a little bit a minute ago. So go ahead and look through each one of these items here in the Getting Started module. You'll learn about me right here, about me, where I went to school and what I do research in here at SFA. Then you can use these navigation tools up here. And this is giving you instructions about how to change the profile picture. So follow those instructions and you'll complete goal number 2. So go ahead and stop the video right here and upload your profile picture there so I can get a chance to know you. All right, the next thing is you kind of keep going through the Getting Started module. You'll see the course calendar again, as well as the course syllabus with all the policies that take place and how the grading is going to take place. To give you a very short summary of this, the way that the grading takes place is 75% of what we're going to be doing in this course comes from the lecture, and then 25% comes from the lab, like that right there. And this is going to be integrated all together throughout the semester. So you might glance through that, look at it in detail if you need to. And then over here is telling you again that the textbook is free. The lab manual can be found here. Here's how to get the lab manual if you want to purchase it online. And then also, if you have questions about how the exams are going to work, it's described right here. How do the quizzes work? They're here, and how the labs work. So those are the 3 components of the course grade, are the exam, quizzes, and labs. All right, how am I doing on time? Hopefully I'm getting close here. Here's keys to success. I've asked some students how they were successful in the course. This is what they said. Let's go back over to the course home, and this is where the news is going to be. So you'll notice that I'm going to be posting Monday, Wednesday, Friday. So even though we're not going to be meeting in person at a regular time, I'll be posting Monday, Wednesday, Friday so that we can stay on a regular schedule and make progress on the homework and the labs. So Hopefully you've already handled the purchasing of the lab manual or thought about it at least. You've posted your profile picture. Now what I want you to do is go over to the exam, the chapter 1 module right here and watch the first video. So how do you do that? Go back over here to content and then go down here to chapter 1. And then you see the video is right here. Now, if you want to keep going and actually do the first quiz and kind of get ahead, you can certainly do that. And you'll see these multiple choice quizzes right here. But you'll just click here and you see that progress bar right there. Let me go back and show you that. You want to make sure each time you enter a chapter that you get all these checked off, and it kind of keeps, it's kind of like a bookmark. It keeps track of how far you've made it through a particular chapter. So here's me lecturing about the content. And you can see I try to keep the video short here, 11 minutes on that one, the summary of chapter 1. And then I take you through some of the content in the chapter, and then you'll see some of the quizzes that are there as well. Now, the cool thing about both the textbook and D2L is that you can have a screen reader just read this to you if you want to. I have this screen reader called Read Out Loud, and you'll see me talk about that in the Getting Started module if you'd like to download that Chrome extension. All right, final thing here is on the table of contents. If you have if you have a question that I haven't answered so far in this very short video, go ahead and post it right here and I'll get right back to you. That's one way to contact me. You'll also find my email address in the Getting Started module. You can email me directly there as well. You can see a link to the textbook here, although you can find the link in the textbook within the chapter as well. All right, I think you're going to really enjoy the class. I hope that we get a chance to see each other and not just online in Zoom. I'm going to open up the planetarium at the SFA STEM building and hope to see you at one of those events that we're going to have in the planetarium where we fly through the galaxy and the solar system. Might even have a special event for you all. All right, well, feel free to ask me a question over here in the discussion area right over here, or send me an email. And be watching out for another video on Friday. I'll be posting Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Have a great semester, everybody, and Happy New Year.